Hey guys, this is Munyi Auto Hub. Here we have the portable car inflator. You don't need any cable. It's also a car jumper. Now what you're going to do, this is a bicycle, ni ya mtoto, hii iko flat. I want to show you because hii iko na puncher. Unaona iko flat. It is flat as you can see. So you connect this cable as I told you in the previous video. So you come here, unashika hii nozo hapa, ni kama tu ile ya petrol station. Unakuja unaingiza hapo, kisha ingiza let me see, hii inatokana, hii inarudi ndani. I hope imeshika. Haya, now you come, you turn on like that. You see the voltage there, 87%. You change the mode. So you want it to be kPa. Now here we use PSI. You see PSI, the one that is blinking there. This is a tire, so we don't need that 6 PSI. You reduce on the negative there. Probably we can do like, yeah, a tire needs a high PSI by the way, if I'm not wrong. So I think that's enough. Then you place this this nini, hii button ya kufunga. So you see? You see? You see? You see? It's working. See? See? It's working. You see? 8 PSI, 9 PSI, 9.5, 10, 11, 14.5, 16, 16.5, 17.5, 18, 19. You see? I think that's enough. That's enough. So you place this one like that. Then you open here like that. And we have a tire that is properly inflated. Is it inflated? Yeah, inflated. You turn that cap and you can see. You see? You see? No puncher right now. So that is how you inflate a tire. Get this device from me at only 5,000 Kenya shillings. Call me. We do deliveries countrywide. The next one, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart a vehicle using it.